woke up this morning with a frown on my face. Opened up my toolbox, and it was quite a disgrace. I couldn't believe my eyes, I just had to laugh. Some joke